What's up, everybody? Deangelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would make this video for you guys on how I was able to make over $1,000 this week with Craigslist. Now, this is going to be a complete done for you campaign inside the V2 course. I want to say Monday or so, because there's like a whole bunch of stuff that you kind of got to get done. Well, at least I got to get done on my end, so then that way I can make it where it's just click for you guys, because even if you're a veteran, it's probably going to take you like 4 or 5 hours to set this up. So I want to get as much of the work done for you as possible. You're still going to have to build your own website, or you can hire Easy Pages and they'll go and build it for you if you want to go, the lazy route, or if you just don't have the time. But yeah, I want to get like all your funnels done for you, get your follow-up series done, all of that stuff. So then that side of it, you won't have to do at all. So if you hire Easy Pages, build your site, and then you just go with the funnels that I give you in the email swipes, then you are going to be up and running with no effort on your own, at all. But anyway, this is the last day that the V2 course is going to be $297. Tomorrow is going to $5, and then I'll just leave it at $5 until Monday. So there you go, right there. I know a lot of people hit me up all the time like, hey man, I don't have, $1,000 or whatever the case may be. There you go. These are the perfect times to go and get you a course, get you software. Influencer marketing is major right now, doing deals all across the board the whole weekend. I'm telling you guys, including Cyber Monday. Guys, if you are not doing influencer marketing, I don't know what you're doing. Go do the training on that as well. That's over here in the V2 courses. And the Cash App course still on sale. I'll just leave this at $47 right here, just because I know a lot of people fuck with the Cash App courses. Yeah, Cash App methods pretty heavy or whatnot. All of these Cash App methods are also inside the V2 course as well. But anyway, let's jump to the topic at hand here. So Craigslist, like I said, complete gold mine. A lot of people, all the fake marketers, I'm just come on and say all the fake marketers, that want to promote for free, that don't want to spend any money, all the fake business owners, they left. Beautiful. Love it. No competition whatsoever on Craigslist right now. So how I've been doing this method here, and obviously, like I said, in the actual course, we're going to go through and show like actually how to do it. We don't do whiteboard stuff in courses. But anyway, right here, you're going to go to Craigslist. And then this is kind of a continuation of the video that I made yesterday when I was talking about the loans. So right now, like I said, guys, loan offers are absolutely killer. And to touch base on that video, so that way you don't have to go back and watch that one. Well, you should go back and watch it because there's a lot of good stuff in there. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to go to a loan offer place that actually works. Like, I don't recommend doing this with a CPA network, unless you're doing to the Orex network, because then that's like different offers. But like a lot of those CPA network offers that are just loan offers, those are just straight lenders, and they're never more than likely ever going to get a loan. It's just they're just simply trying to collect their data, get their social security number, stuff like that, so then they can sell it to someone else. All right, 99% of the time, just be for real with you guys. All right, so what I recommend that you do is you go somewhere where you got a loan, or you go to a local place near you, like, hey man, I'm a marketer, I'm a marketing agency, whatever the case may be. I'm looking to send some people your way, and yada, yada, yada. You work out of there, boom. So basically, anywhere they can actually get a loan that actually 100% works. Because that's the main thing with Craigslist. You can promote damn near anything you want. It just has to work. Why don't you say anything? Obviously, you're not going to get away with the adult stuff. To make money online stuff, no, depending on how you promote that could be a gray area as well. I recommend just simply going with the grain. If you go the adult route, you're going against the grain. You go to make money online route, you're going against the grain. So if you go with the grain, you shouldn't really have any problems at all. But anyway, again, you go to Craigslist, get a loan offer that actually works, and then the people from Craigslist are going to go to your website. Now, this is the biggest thing right here. Like I said, that will take you 3 or 4 hours, because this cannot be a landing page. This has to be a full-blown website. So you need to have the about page done, the private terms done. Like, every single thing about a legitimate business has to be done. You got to get a logo made. You got to do everything for this website right here. So like I said, it's probably going to take you about a good 3 or 4 hours, especially if you're doing everything by yourself. Even if you're a veteran, probably going to take you at least 3 or 4 hours. All right. If you're somebody that's just getting started, I ain't gonna lie, it's probably gonna take you about a day. It's like, it depends on how much effort you're actually putting in. I'm not saying like a full 24 hours, but the average person isn't going to go back here and sit down for 5 or 6 hours and just try to knock everything out at once. They're going to do like an hour this day, 2 hours the next day, whatever, But anyway, once your website is done, like I said, this cannot be a half-assed website. This has to be a website that looks 100% real. Like everything has to be filled out. All right. Once you do that, though, you're done. Golden. You never have to worry about Craigslist or anything along those lines. All right. So then, once you're on the website, once your website's done, obviously you're going to send your Craigslist traffic to it. You already got your offer here that works, so that's going to be on this right here. Now, what you do from there is you can either promote the loan offer on the website itself. So let's say you're doing lawn care or something like that, right? Just getting people to fill out the form, and then like, okay, great, thanks, we'll get in contact with you, and then you have your ad on that page, right? So you could do that. You could also do, which I recommend, the follow-up series. So once you do the follow-up series, you can have them go to a loan offer place, because again, obviously they're looking for money. So then, depending on how you have it set up with wherever you go for this loan offer right here. So like, let's say you go to some like a CPA network and they just have one that actually works, again, like the Oryx network. And then they are, X amount of person converted. So you can just request that data. Like, hey, which one's converted on my end? Or you can just do the IP address and match them up with the website. But anyway, you just check and see which one of the your leads converted into a customer. So they got money right now. And then from there, you would contact them on a Make Money Online opportunity. Boom. And then you make more money that way. And then the good thing about the Making Money Online opportunities is that you're getting anywhere from like 50 to 100 plus. On average, I only promote ones that's like 80 or more, right? When let's say they got to go and spend 40, I want, at least 80, because obviously they're going to make their decent money off them on the back end and all that stuff. And I recommend also promoting some, again, that you would do yourself. If you wouldn't do it, don't promote it. Just don't. You got the offers out there that convert like crazy, that's just really hypey, all that stuff. Like I said, if you wouldn't do it, if you think it's a scam, don't do it to somebody else. Just because it's on the CPA network doesn't mean that it's not a scam. All right. But yeah, and then that's it. So let's say you send 10, let's say you got 10 conversions, right? Because I'm not going to just say 10 people go through and all 10 of them, convert, because I was like, that's not going to happen. But let's just say you got, 100 people, and let's say you got 10% conversion rate that go through this whole process. So let's say you're getting paid, again, it really just depends on the terms that you work out with whoever loan company you go through. Like you can go to like big loan companies and hit them up, to become an affiliate. Now those ones you actually have to, like, you gotta have like a file. Like it took me having a video with 250,000 views to get approved for this loan place that I was trying to go to or whatnot. So it really just depends on where you go. So if you don't have the resources, or the backup, like, hey man, I'm making X amount of dollars a month, this is what I do, and all of that, then, you're kind of stuck with the CPA network. So let's just say, for example, you're doing like a little $10 lead. All right. With that one, you can't really tell if they got approved for a loan or not, because like I say, it depends on which network you go to. I know with my network, we do that, but it just depends on which network that you go to. So you're pretty much just hoping. If we be for real, like I said, if you go local, they can just give you the information when you call them, or they can just send you all your data for the week. And then you'll know who converted, who didn't, and all that stuff or whatever. And who has money, and all that fun stuff. But anyway, let's just say you can, for this example, find out who got a loan, right? I'm like, hey, you got a loan. And then just say, you got $100 from people filling out the form. And then you got another, let's say, $300 in conversions, from the Make Money Online opportunity. They just made $400 right there for the week. Now, obviously, this all goes about scale, because like I said, when you have a website that actually works, that actually looks like a real business, you're never going to get shut down by Craigslist. Like right now, I have over 100 on one account for my website, getting leads all day long. Every day, all leads. And then right now, you're on the front page. Depending on where you post at, I say low end 2 weeks. And then if you're posting the way that I tell you to post, your post is going to stick out regardless of all the other ones. Depending on where you post at, of course, because you got some that are just like spam, some shit or whatever. But anyway, for the most part, you're gonna be good. But like I said, the main thing is your website, and I already know 99% of people are just gonna be lazy as hell. They're not gonna want to go and build out a full-blown website. They're gonna try to do the old approach where they go and pull up a landing page and they got work from home button picture. And then they don't even edit out all the little filler text that just be like underneath the shit or whatever. Like, come on now. Like, if you want to be a marketer, guys, go all in or just go home. Like, you can't do that lazy shit anymore. It's just not going to work on Craigslist anymore. You got to go and create you a full-blown website, and that's just how it is. But that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Again, take advantage of the sales. Your boy does not do them often. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoy this information.